Alright, hello everybody, welcome to Clark's Place. First time a Chevrolet's ever been in the shop. Maybe not, but...
Maybe not.
So, my buddy Zane has an extreme lift kit for his Tahoe. We're gonna raise that thing 1.5 inches. Is it 2 inch?
Yes.
So we think that taking these two bolts out and jacking the strut shock spring up, we'll just put the plate in, let it go back down. The videos online show taking everything apart on the front suspension, but I don't want to do that. Do you want to do that? No. Okay. So we're gonna time lapse and see an explosion when that spring comes flying out of there and injures my shin. So he had a little trouble with this top upper control arm bolt. He needed to keep pressure on it down because the whole nut was spinning, but otherwise took this off. What is this, a 21 with a set of 10 on the bottom to hold the bottom nut?
Yep.
So this bottom to keep that from spinning, a 10 there, 21 bolt there to take that off. Then you had to take the brake line loose. Then this torsion bar, had to take that out, and I guess he said leave that out until you get both of them in. But that leaned out. Put the 2 new bolts in. Don't forget your washers. Washer on the top, washer on the bottom, and jacked it back up. Bolted that back up. Pretty simple, but yeah, he's now got. What'd you say? It works out to be 2 inches lift.
Yep.
So he will quit scraping this. Yeah, that's got some nut torque to it.
Dude, this thing is massive.
It's legit, yeah. Get your breaker bar, put that on it, and just see. I'll set her on the ground now.
Yeah, it's
Nothing under it, you say?
nothing under it. You got them both on.
Let's see how far jacked up this baby is. It looks taller in the front.
It does look like it sits level.
Is it sit level now? Because that's what Zane said the kit was. It's kind of leveling.
Dang, that's all the way. That's wow. I thought it was still on the jack.
I did too at first.
You got to take it down further to get them to move.
Oh.
Yeah.
Tight. Can you loosen it or no? I mean, you don't want to be on the side of the road and can't get the lug nut off, so make sure you can.
Yeah.
Okay. If it's good, it's good.
Yeah.
All right. Good.
I mean, I'm getting. They're gonna take these off.
Oh yeah, they're gonna do work to it. Well, I want to get a shot of it from the side again and see how level we are.
Still not like it should be, but that's as far up as that's gonna go.
Let me. Oh, sorry.
You're all right.
The only other option is to pry those open. Right.
It looks a little taller in the front end, Zane. We might need to bounce it a little to get it, the shocks and everything to settle.
Oh yeah.
But
Here's what it should do. Doesn't matter how far that's.
yeah, let's measure. Let's measure just for grins. Your wheel well opening. After we started and we had it torn apart, I was like, we should have measured just to see, but.
But it's supposed to be straight.
Yeah, I know that, but what I'm thinking is, could you maybe pry this open, get this out, straighten it up, put it back in?
Yeah.
You're 37.5 to the ground, and
Put it in a pipe, yeah. And then you got these wedges in here.
13, 37 and a half, 13. And you are 37 3/4 in the front. And 13 and a half. So it is a 1/2 inch higher in the front, but we haven't rolled it to get it to settle. So I'd say start it, back it up just a little bit, and let's see what your ride height is. And kind of back it away from that post over there because you're pretty tight on the right side. So when you thinking you're wanting to do the wrap? You haven't bought anything yet? You haven't? No, you just been researching?
Yeah, I was trying to get this kind of, you know,
figured out. Cut your wheel to the right a little bit as you back up to get it away from that post over there. Let me watch you. Okay, just come back. Turn to the right. There you go. Now just come straight back. Yep. Yeah. Just, nope, a little the other way. There you go. Stay right there.
It seems higher.
I think it is.
Definitely, but I can tell sitting in. It is bad.
Sorry. You're fine. I mean that. You are fine. Where'd my tape measure go? I just had it. So you got 37 and 12 and a half. See, I came down. Because I think the tires were sprung. And you got 37 and 12 and a half. It's perfectly level. And that's what that kid is supposed to do, right? Yeah. Well then, you're sitting exactly level now.
It's gonna look so much better because it was always kind of low. And with that air dam in the floor, it made it look really.
Well, I always thought your truck set a little bit jacked up, which I thought that's the stance that you wanted, not that.
Well, I don't care if I have
This looks like you're riding how you're supposed to. Sweet.
Right to it.